Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to be showing you, I am actually going to be mixing the seaweed hair conditioner for a customer and also for my daughter's hair. And I'm going to show you how I apply it to her hair. She have long hair. If you have short hair, the method is very easy because for my hair, I just go ahead and apply it. But for her hair, I have to do certain things to make sure that I apply it to the strands of her hair. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started right now. So before we get started, make sure you get an old towel that you can use for your hair conditioner because it's a little messy. So I'm custom blending seaweed conditioner for a customer. And when I custom blend it, I usually add like extra Manuka honey to it and extra oils and stuff to soften your hair. But you can do that yourself when you get the powder it already mixed with oils and Manuka honey, but you can still add more to it. So I just put it in there and just start to mix it up, mix the oils and the honey with the seaweed conditioner powder. And I'm just gonna, just mix it up. You can use spoon. It's very easy to do. You can use spoon to mix it up. It doesn't take long at all. So whatever extra stuff you want to add to it, you can add it to it. So I just added some liquid in there, and that is pretty much some hair tea rings that I put in there. And I'm just going to continue mixing it up until it turns and gets to the texture that I want it to be, and then I'm going to use it. So you can add more liquid. You can, it all depends on the texture that you want. You can make it liquidy, or you can make it a little bit thicker. So it's all up to you. So you're just gonna keep mixing it up. You can use a mixer if you want to, or hand mixer. I just use a spoon. As long as the water is towards the hot side but not really hot, it will mix very easily. And then I just added a little bit more liquid to it, a little bit more tea rings, and I mix it up until I got it to the texture I wanted it to be. So this is the texture that I want it to be. It's a really good texture and it's ready to be packaged and shipped out. Or this is how I also mix it for my daughter's hair, and I just go ahead and put it in her hair. But it's that easy to do, very easy. So now that we are done mixing the conditioner, I usually use a bottle. I put water in it. I got that bottle from Walmart and just spray the hair. I don't like to wet the hair before putting the conditioner in it. Like, put the whole hair underneath the water thing and wet it before putting the conditioner, because then you have water dripping all over the place. So I usually like to use the spritzer bottle to spray the hair, part it into sections, spray the hair as I'm applying the conditioner mask to it. So now that I have sprayed the section that I want to go ahead and apply the mask to it, I am going to apply the mask to it. But make sure if you have long hair, you spray it well so that the moisture, the oils, and the Manuka honey from the conditioner is going to help to moisturize the hair very well. So after you spray the hair, you want to make sure, unlike me, I forgot to get my clip to help me with my daughter hair because it was just getting all up in the way. But make sure you have clips or scrunchie or whatever to separate the hair properly. Normally I do, but I had a million and one things to do and I totally forgot to do that. So go ahead and you apply the seaweed mask, or the whatever clay mask that you have. Apply it to the hair. When you apply it to the hair, I also apply it to the scalp because it's helping to cleanse the scalp. I have a picture where I show of my daughter's scalp before. She had like really I don't know what it was, all up in her scalp, almost like sores or like dry flakes in her scalp. And this is the conditioner that really helps to cleanse her scalp well, along with the shampoo bars. So when you apply the conditioner to the hair, make sure you work your fingers through it, especially if the hair is long. My hair is short, so I don't have to do it. I just apply the conditioner and that's it. But if the hair is long, when you apply it to the hair, make sure you work your fingers through it, because you want to make sure that it's getting on the strands of the hair. Work it through it very well. And then you just keep going on and on until you finish putting the conditioner mask all over the hair. But make sure if your hair is long, you have a spritzer bottle with water in it so you can spray the hair, because you want to seal in that moisture, because the conditioner already have some Manuka honey infused in it, along with hair oils, with good oils to help soften your hair. So you want to make sure that you work your fingers through your hair right. Now, if you have short hair, like I said before, my hair, I don't have to do that. But for long hair, make sure you work it through the hair and put it on your scalp as well. If your scalp is sore or broken, don't apply it. Now that I have applied all over her hair, I am going, normally I cover her hair, let it sit for like up to half an hour or sometimes even more, and then wash her hair with the shampoo bar. But because of the sake of time, I am going to show you what I do after I take the cap out. I normally comb through her hair. So here you go. I am going to put the cap on her hair, but I just wanted to show you how her hair already started to detangle. It started to soften up just by that sitting in her hair for a few minutes. I'm able to use the brush and kind of comb through her hair, and you can see how even her curls is really defined right now. Remember earlier how her hair was all bushy on her hair, but just by applying that, it has softened up a lot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to comb through her hair, but I'm going to put the cap on her hair just to let it marinate. Just to let it sit for like half an hour or so, and then I am going to come back and brush through her hair. Would be very easier. And after I do that, I'm going to shampoo her hair, and then I'm going to go from there. So that's pretty much it. It's that easy to do. So after I wash her hair, I apply the hair growth oil, and I also apply the hair butter, and I massage it into her hair. I went ahead and braided her hair into big plaits to let it dry for like few hours. Now I'm just taking it out after it have dried for like few hours, and I am going to retwist it into smaller twists. But her scalp is nice and clean, and her hair itself is nice and clean, and it's very soft and moisturized. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use the hair conditioner. This is the hair oil that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, please feel free to message me, and I will contact you as soon as possible.